What's up, my name is Alex and I'm back with another video, and today we're playing Warcraft 3 and we're playing again Nature Call, the Spiderqueen, or Nature's Call. Chapter 2, the first base. Build up your base and destroy the nearby undead camp. Oh, trolls! Oh, what happened to these little pesky trolls? Well, I don't know. They're gonna die, of course, as always. Nice. So I'm into it. And I'm building shit. Great. Got snow spiders following me. Oh. Yep.
My queen, we have spotted some traces of a large group of wolves. They are a threat. We should kill them.
Yeah, last time when I finished recording, before I finished recording, or something like that, I read this item, spider eggs. The spider egg allows you to lay egg sacs, has a building command hour, which kinda ends up being when I kill a spider. It even showed me somewhere here in the log. I'm gonna show you. If your hero makes the killing blow, an egg sac is released. Don't kill your egg sacs after 40 seconds. You spiders spawn, blah blah blah. Yeah, I spawn spiders after 40 seconds.
Proceed.
Kinda. Let's start chopping wood. This is my lumber mill, as it seems, and this is my spider base, or my main facility from which I'm gonna be mining. Little spiderlings, follow me. You're gonna be on hotkey 3, you're gonna be on hotkey 2, and you're gonna be on hotkey 1. Okay. I'm gonna be killing all the animals that I find around. Hotkey 2, move, hotkey 3, move. Okay, managed to get the last hit. Oh, yeah, I gotta choose an ability. Slam the ground, dealing damage to any, slowing damage to and slowing the movement, speed, and attack rate of nearby enemy land units. It's kind of like thunderclap, I think. Yeah, this is the close to which it sounds. Thunderclap-esque. Situation. No. Oh yeah, 3 totally got smashed. Get back. Okay, they're really aggressive. Yep, that's not gonna work.
Proceed.
You fucker, why aren't you collecting gold? Okay, lost almost my whole army. You're on 3. Follow Mama Spider. Oh, I can detonate these, but do I destroy them, like? X-Sax. You can stay with your brothers over there. We're gonna see when they're gonna match. Nice. So I got another gold mine over here. There's a lot of gold to be had, as it seems. Let's build another worker. Even 2 maybe. Upgrade the spider strength, increases damage of all spiders. That's nice, absolutely nice. Upgrade the spider Carpage increases the armor of all spiders, and research cannibalism. Enables spiders to use the cannibalism ability to cannibalize, consume a nearby corpse to heal the spiders. Okay, so all of them have it? Oh, they heal quite quickly.
Make your choice.
That's what you can build. Build spider pool, toxic pool, which can train toxic spiders, can cast bloodlust on nearby spiders. This sounds quite nice. I don't know where am I supposed to build it, maybe there. I have 100 food cap. And you're just gonna stay there and do nothing.
You rang.
You fucker.
Time is now.
Wait. Oh yeah, I thought my building wasn't vulnerable for a second there. Defense spider, I don't know what that does. Gonna build one of these as well, maybe. Lumber mill. Brood spider, primary structure used to breed spiders.
Insufficient gold.
Shit. Okay. Build my defense spider afterwards. Build tree. For spider, little sapling creatures, birdlings. Yeah, birdlings. I forgot how they're called.
Make your choice. What's done is done.
How much work here?
Proceed. Make
3?
your choice.
Yeah, 3 work here. 4, 5.
You rang.
5 on the gold mine.
Your building is complete.
5 on the gold mine, gonna do it.
Proceed.
Still follow me. Nice. Yeah, I call them by numbers because it's easier for me to remember them by numbers. What's here? I'm trying to kill all deers and others like that, just so I can be sure that I got the advantage. Okay, slam the ground for dunks. Boom.
Your building is complete.
Oh, come on, don't tell me you can. Defeat? What? Did they kill their main spider or something? Yes, they probably did. Didn't know they were so powerful. Okay. Let's try that again. You all on 2, you on 1. Send 1 up in front to smack some deers. That's my bad. That I wasn't paying attention. Hey, woof. Although I don't need to do that. You can come over here and stay there.
Your building is complete.
Proceed. You
As soon as you're done, get there. Little spiders moving out. Gonna need a lot of deers for these fights. You're on tree. Shit for me. Get over there. Calm that deer down. You're on tree, as I already said. Another wolf. I don't know where their undead base is though. Oh shit, another cutscene.
My queen, this fountain of light could be very useful for us. We should remove the furbolgs and clean the fountain.
Yes, that's not a bad idea, worker spider. That reminds me that I gotta go back to my main building and check how much more spiderlings I can make. Yeah. Am I getting some gold? No, I'm not gathering gold yet at all. I'm gathering wood, but though.
Your building is complete. Insufficient gold.
Make your choice.
This guy's gonna bring up.
Insufficient gold. Insufficient gold. Insufficient gold. Insufficient gold. Insufficient gold.
2 gold workers.
Make your choice.
One move out over here, 2 as well, 3 as well. 3 combined with these guys and get a bigger 3 combination. Three! Rush into attack! 2 rush into attack! 1! Oh shit, 1 don't attack yours. 1 rush into attack! Yeah, most of my spiders are gonna die now, but not very caring about it. I mean, I'm gonna try and save as much as I can. Okay, that's not gonna work. Nope. Gotta run away. Definitely gotta run away. That didn't work at all. I just lost my
Our
forces.
warriors have engaged the enemy.
Oh, I thought I told you to work. You bastards.
Insufficient gold.
Yes, master.
Oh my god, now I gotta save it. Save. That sounds genuinely useful enough. I'm gonna save it there. Two eggies. Go over there with that. Nothing left from, yeah, nothing left from my forces. Oh, these guys have only 20 health, so it was kind of obvious they weren't gonna survive too long.
Insufficient gold.
Proceed.
Maybe I should have upgraded them before I did that, but who gives a shit about it? Yeah, those sacks are invulnerable. They're part of the building, aren't they?
Your choice. Make your choice.
Like, do I have 4 on it? 3,
You're right.
4. Are you all selected? Yeah, I think all the gold ones are selected. Let's get one on the wood.
Your building is complete. Insufficient
Toxic
gold.
spider that has a poison attack which allows and slows and damages enemy units. Can learn abolishment. I'm really bad at reading today.
Your choice.
Insufficient
Well,
gold.
I'm bad
What's
at reading
done
every
is
day, so
done.
it's kind of
Yes,
not
master.
too surprising. These ones are kind of expensive. And I'm not collecting gold as fast as I thought I would be, in a way. Like they're expensive. A lot. I don't know. Maybe they're not that much. I mean, their gold, the gold amount combined with the wood amount, I think it's a little bit too much.
Proceed.
But you gotta know that she lays eggs every time when she kills something, so yeah.
Your choice. The time is now.
Don't tell me you're stuck now.
Yes, master. Proceed.
Oh my
The
god.
time is now. What's done is done.
Are you supposed to be
Time is
stuck?
now. You rang. What's done is done.
Oh, and you can't attack trees.
Proceed. Make your choice. You rang.
So they don't have an attack move or anything. They can't attack trees. Like what?
Proceed.
I got him stuck now. Gotta wait for more. Good god.
Your choice.
At least these ones aren't that weak. They have slow poison. Poison sting.
Make your choice.
So poison is at least is something.
Proceed.
Oh, so you're stuck as well.
You rang.
Are you serious? It depends on where the egg sac is.
Your choice.
That's gonna be annoying AF in further ones. Let's buff out this strength a little bit.
Proceed. Make your choice. Make your choice.
I need my warriors to be able to move out. But that tree is standing in my way. Chop it. Yes. Yes, my workers. Chop that tree.
Proceed.
Okay, fine.
The time is now.
Oh yeah, now the workers are standing on
Proceed. What's done
my
is
way.
done.
Nice.
Yes,
good.
master. You rang.
Combine with this guy. Okay,
Time is now.
move out, move out.
More lumber is required. Research finished.
Oh yeah, more lumber.
Choice.
Well, fuck you. With that lumber. These maps are a little bit too small
Make your choice.
for me to be playing them. Like, if there's no room for your buildings to build them and to use them, that's not a good map design. Oh, these are infighting. Okay, couldn't last second this time. Move quest complete. Nice. Gonna upgrade my sting for more poison.
Choice.
Send them in, send them in.
Proceed.
Wave 2 combined
Your
with
choice.
2 now. Remember 1 as well. 2 with 1 move. 3. Get your brother on 3.
Make your choice.
Like, you gotta be in front, but you're never up in front.
You rang.
Because they block you.
Proceed.
Let's see if I'm gonna die here. I am definitely gonna die. I'm gonna try and back out. Back out, back out, back out, back out, back out, back out. Back out before they kill ya! Those fuckers. I should have known.
Our
This map
warriors have engaged the enemy.
is ridiculously small and hard to traverse. Upgrade the armor of my spiders.
Make your choice.
Let's see what the defensive spider means.
What's done is
You
done.
can afterwards go on.
More lumber is required.
Or more lumber now. Move out to here. You as well. You here. Save this one. 2. Nice. Nice. You're 3, as I already mentioned. Get over here. Let's try and position around them. The Rhinox are sleeping now.
Proceed.
Let's see how much. Oh my god! That's a lot of Rhinox.
You rang. What's done is done.
Research finished.
How do you make so much Rhinox? That's not fair. You're gonna get insta-killed, so stay there.
Proceed. Make your choice.
Your building is complete.
Proceed.
What can I do to make this easier for myself?
Make your choice. The time is now. Proceed. You rang. Make your choice. What's done is done, rang.
You position yourself between them. And let's start. Okay, it's going so good. I'm gonna use a chemical. This is ridiculous. Oh, and I got healing wards.
What's done is done.
Oh my god. That was hard. Wait, I can uproot you. Oh, you slow AF. I was gonna say, can I use you as a weapon? But you're slow. Okay, that's annoying.
You rang.
That's hell of annoying. Of these, put them on 3. Hotkey them, everyone, hotkey them.
Make your choice. Make your choice.
More lumber is required. More lumber is required. More lumber is
Damn
required.
you with your
More
lumber
is
needs.
required. More lumber is required.
Proceed.
Aren't those bastards farming lumber?
You rang.
Why do I see only 2 bastards farming lumber?
Proceed.
Shouldn't there be 3 bastards farming lumber?
Proceed. The time is now.
I need lumber, bastards.
Proceed.
Oh, I got 2 of you.
Make your
How did I get
choice.
2?
Yes,
Well, no
master.
matter, one I'm gonna put in lumber.
Make your choice.
More lumber is required.
More lumber is required.
More
More
lumber
lumber is
More
required.
More lumber is required. More lumber is required. More lumber is required.
The time is now. Your choice.
What do I even need?
More lumber is required.
Yes, master.
Build you.
You rang.
That will have to do.
More lumber is required.
Make your choice now.
You're on 2, you're on 1, you're on 3. All of you move out.
Proceed.
Your building is complete.
Make your choice.
You heard what I said to 2. Move out, move out. You up in front.
You
If you can.
rang. The
Go in.
time is now.
Go in. Go in. I know this won't go good. I know I'm gonna lose probably all my forces, but I'm gonna be able to kill a few of these at least as well. In the meantime. Which it seems it's not gonna happen. Well, nice. I lost all of my forces to nothing.
More lumber is required.
And I need more lumber yet again.
Proceed.
Your building is complete.
You rang.
Breed snow spider. Breed spitting spider. Breed giant spider and breed brood spider. Let's breed some snow spiders, shall we? Maybe they're gonna be my main force to fight for me.
Make your choice. Proceed.
Or maybe they're gonna be useless fuckers or others. I was hoping this race was gonna be a little bit stronger, because it's a custom campaign, and I was like, yeah, they're probably gonna be strong, you know. But no, they're not. They're kinda weak.
Research finished.
You proceed.
Compared to creep camps. Yeah, hard creep camps. I mean, the creep camps ain't that hard on their own. It's just that they're a lot of firebogs on a tight little space, and I'm very good at the game, but come on. That's just ridiculous. No, I gotta destroy 12 buildings. Weren't they 10 at the start? Or am I just going bonkers?
Make your choice. Make your choice. The time is now. What's done is done.
Fuckers are farming wood.
Rang.
Slowly but surely.
You rang.
Those gonna be my back forces. These gonna be my front forces. Hopefully they don't insta-die this time. Because last time they did.
Choice. Proceed.
Got 4 of these.
Choice.
The upgrades coming in. Although there are no summon units for me to be attacking, maybe down that forces will have some.
Your choice.
That's coming out.
Research
Nice,
finished.
nice. I'm gonna wait for this one. And then I'm gonna move out to the combat. As always, front line is gonna be 2. Back line is gonna be 3. Move there and position yourself. 3, get over here and position yourself. 1 there.
Proceed.
Make 3 more of these guys. The giant spider. You see what I'm telling you? Traversing. Extremely bad traversing. You're gonna be in the middle of everything and you're just gonna be like, crushing.
Make your choice.
Where did you just go? They don't even make a sound when they're destroying things. Well, that's stupid in a way. Potion of healing. Well, I may need it after this battle.
You rang.
Why would I otherwise need a fountain if not to heal? Let's see, can I even make this? My armor is lowered, but at least I'm getting the benefit of the fountain as well. I'm still not doing very good. Although the benefits of a fountain. No. Not gonna survive this one as well, aren't you? And I can't even get out of here. Oh no, I'm not restarting. Fuck you. Actually, your traversal pattern will be extremely bad and you're gonna get me stuck. I'm cheating. Because I'm not dying. My save is miles away from here. I had a huge force and it still wasn't enough to combat that. Wait. Snow spider, spitting spider, spitting spider. Spitting spiders, you combine with this and what's left of these three is gonna be this army. You, there's these guys. Make one. Fuck you, you should have been two. You plus... Okay. You smell fuckers. Plus these three fuckers. Make two. I'm a spider, make one. Nice, nice. That's better. At least now I got some forces. Hopefully they're healed now, finally. I'm not going there for extra items. I'm just trying to win this as fast as possible. It got me tired in a way. Move out! The terrain ain't that slow. Nice. That's better.
Our warriors have engaged.
My
the
giant
enemy.
spiders, even they are weak and stupid. Like, when your big forces are bad, that talks a lot about the gameplay. At least it's voice acted. It's one of the little campaigns that I've seen being voice acted. I like that about it. It's not that I don't like the idea of it, but when something's bad, it is bad. It doesn't count them for some of the units. That's kinda annoying. Then why would I even need it then? It seems a long-range army is the best way to do it. This close range dies almost instantly. Well, I'm even gonna get that far to put a killing blow, which I never do. By the way, if someone's wondering, why am I saying that big of a problem? Oh, and you got a frostworm as well. I call quits on this one. No, I do call quits on it. Like, you can't just kill my whole force over here. How much units do you have? And I've destroyed only one building. Oh god. this is gonna be a long one, and I thought to myself, yeah, this is gonna take only a few minutes. I'm gonna record it and I'm gonna keep on rolling something else.
What's done is done.
Let's go for a blue spider and go on. See if we need it. Because my ears won't hold it otherwise.
Make your choice. Make
So
your
you're
choice.
doing nothing, eh? We'll get over there.
Time is now. You rang. Proceed. Yes, master. You rang.
That gives 90 food.
Proceed. Make
What?
your choice.
And this as well. These provide 10 food. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Maybe this is only a reason the spiders are broken. Because their main building provides 90 food and you're just done. You're capped on food. You don't to provide you food.
Is done.
And your lumber mills provide food as well. What, you live in a log? Something.
You rang.
But otherwise your buildings are built slowly. Your units are trained slowly. Yeah, you're absolutely weak. Let's try and take out my brood mother and see what that is like. Maybe that's gonna be a useful unit. I'm not stacking you up in force no more. You're going like on one force. That's it. You're gonna be one force from now.
Your building is complete.
Spitters. Give me more spitters. A little bit of a snow spiders, a giant spider, and another brood mother something spawn. Wait, I need two. Two combine these as well.
Proceed. Yes,
If there's no wood for you to chop, go and go, you fucker.
you rang.
Get it. Get it. Great. Oh yes. We're going through it. Yes.
Our warriors have engaged.
No, you fuckers. Stop targeting my main. Down. Oh, a little bit is left. You as well. Move out. Move out. Why aren't you doing it? You got that ability, but you're not doing it. You fuck. Oh my god. Go for it. Bash their heads and destroy their buildings. Make them suffer. Kinda close to dead again. For the Great Spiderqueen, you're kinda weak. Yeah, weak sauce. What are my brood mothers? Do I like have as brood mother? Giant spider. Oh, brood mother. Oh, and that's damage. That's the only difference. Fuck you.
Our warriors have engaged.
I was hoping on something more than just damage. Oh, at least you're really long range.
Make your choice.
Boom! Well, your shots are extremely slow.
Our warriors have engaged the enemy.
Get up the ramp. Get up the ramp. There's a cage. Mama Spider, don't kill that cage.
Our warriors have engaged.
Cage invulnerable. Is there something that I can destroy in this campaign? Or am I the only easily destructive thing? Everything go hammers on those buildings. Everyone's doing hammers on my hero. It's like they're purposely going for my hero.
Our warriors have engaged.
Don't tell me I died again. Oh god, I didn't. That's nice.
What? And free? Yes. But who are you? The undead base is stomped to dust. You did that? Very impressive. I'm sure you are wondering why I was kept hidden in this cage. I'm a
Yeah.
magical experiment
Maybe
of the
not.
Burning Legion. I have some superior magic skills.
Oh really?
I can transform myself into something unnatural. The Burning Legion only made one big mistake.
Well, we are more
I have
called
a soul,
Metamorphus.
and I deeply hate the undead. I killed plenty of them before they caught me here. I'll tell you a secret. I know a secret underground passage which leads to Northrend. The demons use the passage to come to Azeroth. Let's hunt some demons.
Okay. You're bachelor shit insane. Your story made little sense. But I'm in for it, and this cave looks totally suspicious. Where did you even find that cave site? What? And if this is a hidden passage, I'm a fucking tramp. Landing the end of this here. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one, I guess. Dear God, that was hard for me.